Hello everyone. Many of you were facing some difficulties regarding Tonify, and I have been asked by a lot of people to make a tutorial video on Tonify. So this video deals with the basics of Tonify. In this video, I will try to explain all the basic things of Tonify as easily as possible. First, we will create a tournament. As you can see, I have already created 4 tournaments. Now let's create a tournament. This form asks for basic details of the tournament we are going to create. Let's add the tournament name. Keep it sample tournament is good. Give an organization name. You can give your esports organization name or clan name or Discord server name or Instagram page name, whatever you feel like. I will give XYZ Sports. Now select the tournament type. Is it solo, is it squad, or is duo? And give the default points per kill. Um, the default is 1. Let it be 1. Now we will define the place points format for our tournament. As you can see here, these are 1 is equal to 20, 2 is equal to 14. What this basically means is that for the first place, a team will get 20 place points. For the second place, the team will get 14 place points, and so on. And if you want to define a range over a range, then you can simply add 11-16. That means 11 to 16 equals to 1. That means give 1 points to teams with position 11 to 16. That's all. It is very simple. Now let's click on create and create tournament. Our tournament is now created and we are now redirected to the tournament page. You can see here we have the tournament name, the organization name, and the date on which it was created. We see the bonds table link. Let's visit this link and see what we have got. We can see that we are being shown a message detailed analytics not available. This is because we haven't added any teams and we haven't added any matches yet. For teams and results to appear here, we need to add teams to our tournament. Now let's add teams to our tournament. There are 2 ways of adding team. First we go to the team section. There are 2 ways to add teams. The first one is to enter them manually, like I have entered the team name and the player names in the input box, and then we will hit add team to add this team to our team list. You can see that we have the stream created in our team list. We can see the player's name and how it was added. It shows that it was added by admin. We can't say email, phone, and Discord because we have added them manually. To show these fields here, we have to accept these teams using the registration forms. Okay, so like it is very much easier to add teams using registration forms. Let me show you first. Let's add another team. Okay, now we have 2 teams which we have added manually, and we can see that in the stats page we have 2 teams, but we don't have any analytics yet because we haven't added any match results yet. I'm trying. So what we are doing here is just saving a points table. This is a voiceover, so if sometimes what I'm doing and what I am recording may be different. So till now we have learned how to create a tournament and how to add teams manually. Now next what we are going to learn is how to add teams using the registration form features of Tonify. Let's go to form. You can see here that we haven't created a form yet, so just click on create form button to create a form. Now we have some default settings of the tournament. Let's visit the sample registration form, sorry, the registration form of a tournament. First, we will add. This is your tournament registration form setting, and you can toggle this tournament registration open button to just close the registration. Refresh this form. We can see here that the registrations are closed. So you just toggle that registration form button to turn on and off the registration. Uh, hmm. Now let's add description. Like we can see in our registration form that we haven't added any rules about our tournament, the prize pools, and how to contact the organizations, the links to our WhatsApp group, the links to our Instagram page or Discord. We haven't added any of them yet. So after the user registers, it may be confusing for them what to do next. So it is a very good practice to add those links and add descriptions to your forms. Okay. In many cases I have received messages from participants. They are thinking that I host these tournaments, but no, you should provide links to your WhatsApp group or and methods to contact you. So this is the description page. We will add the sample message here. You can also add links, like links to your WhatsApp group, whatever link, just paste it here. It will automatically be passed by the app and it will be shown in the registration form. Let's add a sample link just to show you how to add links in your registration forms description. Let's save it, refresh the page. Here you can see the description of your registration form and you can see the link as well. Yeah, the link works. So don't forget to add your contact informations in the registration forms. Now this successful registration text box is the message which is shown after the participant is successfully registered. This message will only be shown after they have successfully registered. Let's add a sample message that they will be shown. Generally, it is a very good practice to add links to your WhatsApp group and what to do next, um, to the and what to do next here. Like the participant will know, yeah, I have registered for the tournament, and what shall I do next? Shall I contact him on his WhatsApp, or shall I contact him on his Instagram? So it is a very good practice to add those steps here. And also, like if you are organizing paid customs or paid tournament, you can ask your user to send the payment screenshots to the links. Let me show you how to register a team once again. Just a couple of seconds. Yeah, let's click on submit. You can see here we are shown registration successfully registered message. The team has been successfully registered and they are shown the successful registration message which we have set for this tournament. Sorry, for this registration form. Let's go back to the settings. Like you can also accept email, the phone number, and the Discord IDs of your participants. Let's turn on the settings and don't forget to add your social links in this box. You can add your WhatsApp link, the Facebook link, the YouTube link, YouTube channel link, the Discord channel invite link, your website, and your email. Add your social media links. These links are important because they are shown in your registration forms. You can add 6 type of links: WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Discord, website and email. These will be displayed on your registration form page. As you can see that you have 3 links: WhatsApp, Facebook and YouTube. Now you may be thinking that where those registered teams goes. So go to the forms and go to pending. Let's refresh this page and you can see that the registrations are seen in pending. When a team first registers, they are added to the pending list. They are not added directly to your team list. This is to prevent you from spam. So you can see the responses to your form and directly add them, approve them to add them to your team list. So let's approve this team. Click on approve. Approve them. After they are approved, they move to the approved list of your form settings. You can see here, this is the very team we have approved. Now this team will also be added to your team list. You can see that the registered team is not available in your team list. Now I will show you registration process along with the email, Discord and the phone number. First add the team name, then add the player names. Here go player 2, here goes player 3. These are the players names. Now add the email ID. Let's take an example, my email at example.com. Now add the phone number, select the country code. This is how your participant will register for your tournament. Then click on submit. After that team is registered, you can find that registered team in your pending list. Let's refresh this page. Yes, you can see that the team is registered and you can find that team in your pending list. Just click on approve to add this team to your team list. You can see that email, you can see the phone number and the Discord ID. You can also copy the input fields using the copy button and also WhatsApp them using the WhatsApp button. Now let's go back. Let's accept that team registration request. Click on pending, approve. Now you can find that team in the approved list. Also the team is added to your team list. Now you have learned how to add team manually and how to accept team registration using the registration forms. See? Now what next we are going to see is how to enter results and how after entering the results our points table are generated automatically. This is our enter results page or enter results screen. You can use the screen to enter results here. In the stats page you have seen that there were no results, only there were team list. Now we will start entering our first match result. See, first you have to select the team for the place 1. You can see in the left that it's written place number 1. That stands for entering the results of the place 1. So to select a team, either type star to list all the teams or search a team using its player name or the team name. So first, like suppose we have a team with a player name Mortal. What we will do to search its team is simply type the player name mortal, and the search box will simply search the all through all the teams that which team has this player name mortal, and it will show it to you. So when you have the screenshot page of after the result, just see the player name, enter here, and it will automatically show which team it belongs to. Select the team. After selecting the team, you have to enter the number of kills the team has secured in the particular match. Enter the number of kills and click on add. Likewise, you have to enter the number of kills and team for each place. So suppose you are having 10 teams in the match, you need to select 10 teams and enter the kills and then click on add. So let's do it. In this very match, in this very tournament, we have only 4 teams, so it's gone over very soon. You can see here you can see that both the teams are having the same number of kills, but Ultra has given the first preference. That is because Ultra is having more number of kills. Now let's add another two teams. Demo team 1, their number of kills. Add them, sorry. Now select the third, fourth team, demo team 2, enter their kills and add. After adding all the results, what you have to do is just click on finish and save to cloud. We have added all the 4 teams. Just click on finish and save. Now we will refresh our stats page. Now you can see we have the analytics and the points table generated for your tournament because you have entered the first match result. Here these are the top teams. You can see the points table. You can see the kill leaders. This shows a bar chart and the teams with their respective kills. You can see the top scoring kills along with their trends. As you will add more matches, the line chart will become more beautiful. Here you can see individual team stats. Just switch over the teams to see their stats. In the match stats, you can see the results of each match. Hmm. We have added only one match, so there's nothing much to see. Now the last section has the discussion, comment, Facebook comment discussion. Okay, here you can discuss about the tournament. Let's download our points table. Just click on the download button, and it will download the stats, the points table automatically. So let's save it, and now let's preview it. Yeah, you can see that we have the points table generated for our tournament. Now we are having only one match. After adding each match, the points table is automatically updated. Let's add another match just to show you how the points table are updated. So now our second match has been saved. We will refresh the stats page and we can see that our points table are updated. You can download it also, the updated points table. The analytics and all the other stats are also updated as soon as you enter the results of another match. One thing you might have, one question you might have, that how to change points table theme. It is very easy. Just go to the settings and select the desirable theme you want. Currently we have 8 themes available. Select any one and just click on save. The points table theme will be updated. After we have successfully saved the settings, let's refresh the page and you can see that our points table has been updated with a new theme. Since we are having very less theme, the background doesn't seem to fit the points table, but as soon as you have 5 to 10 themes, the background will fit nicely. This was all about how 25 works, how you create a tournament, how you set the points table, how you set the points system, and how you add teams, how you create registration forms, and how you enter results, and how you change points table theme. And guys, I hope that you like this video and I tried to make everything clear to you about 25. The esportsweb.in tutorial will be available soon. Till then, goodbye and take care.